Good day, my future employer. My name is June Annalyn B. Capistrano. I am 36 years old. Born on November 1, 1989. I am married, but I am separated. I have 5 children. I am planning to as domestic helper in Hong Kong because I want to provide my better future for my family. I'm looking for a job and I'm willing to work as domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have experience here in 2 years as a housemaid in the Philippines, and also I'm 2 years finished contract as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, and I have also experience taking care of children and newborn babies, and also how to do household chores like cooking, cleaning, doing the laundry, ironing, going to the supermarket and grocery store, and also how to do car washing. Sir, madam, if you give me a chance to work with you, I do my best and work hard for your family. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless. Sorry, I'm very shy.